Name's Alan. I got a 1964 Lincoln Continental. I bought it 2018. I've been slowly picking away at it ever since. Did the whole interior. Swapped it for a 6-liter LS. I got Tomahawk Customs in Red Deer to do the stereo. It's on chop and block air suspension, AccuAir management.
How long have you been part of the club?
It's been about 10 years now, almost.
Nice.
I joined, just had a few friends that kind of joined a year before when it came to Canada, and they got me into it shortly after. I bought a Mazda B2200, and that was my petitioning vehicle. Ever since then, I've had, a multitude of vehicles, so this is the forever car here.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad,